children, a very warm welcome to all of you on Bachpan School Kusum. We are hoping you are doing good. Let's talk about today's video. So in this video, we are going to study about our activity set provided for level 1. In previous video, we also studied about this activity set, and in that video, we covered till chapter 24, and this video will be part 2 video of that video. In this video, we will start from chapter 25. So if you are new on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Bachpan School Kusum Bihar. Also, if you have not watched that video till now, then I have given the link in the description box. You can check out from there. So let's start study about next chapter. So in this chapter, it is given that color the fruits only. It means by following that, kids can understand what is difference between fruits and vegetables. You can also tell them different kind of fruits and different kind of vegetables here. Then they can also learn a lot of vegetables and a lot of fruits them. Children, you have to find out that where are fruits and you have to color that only. Okay, so let's see in first line. So this is apple, pumpkin, and this is pear. So in all these trees, which are fruits and which are vegetables? So apple and pear will be vegetable. So you have to color that both only. Okay. After that, let's talk about next lines. There are two fruits, strawberry and grapes. So you can color those. So you can color this only. This is a vegetable's name. Let's talk about next line. So in this, it is mango, it is brinjal, and it is banana. So banana and mango are fruits, so you have to color that mango and banana according to your choice. Like you can color the banana with yellow color, and you can color the mango with also yellow and orange color. Let's talk about chapter 26. Okay, so here color the pet animals only. By following that, you can understand what are pet animals. So I would like to tell you here that pet animals are those animals which live in our house. Okay, I have also made a separate video about pet animals. You can also check out that. Okay, so let's talk about this one. So let's see in first line, it is cat, giraffe, and it is rabbit. Okay, so in all these threes, this one is wild animal and this cat and rabbit is pet animals. So we can color this both only. Okay. After that, let's talk about next line. So this is horse, this is lion, and this is bird. Okay, so in all these we can color this horse only, because horse we can see in our houses, and sometimes we can also make pet of horse. Okay, children, so let's talk about next line. So this is dog, this is parrot, and this is wolf. So in all this, I think this is bear. Sorry, this is bear. All these threes, dog is only a pet animal. We can also make the parrot pet, so we can color this dog and this parrot both. Okay, so in this chapters we learned about different kind of pet animals. Hoping you have learned pet animals properly. Let's talk about next chapter. In this we will know about water animals. Okay, so circle the water animals. Okay, you have to circle those animals which you can see inside the water, like who lives in the water. Okay, so fish, yeah, of course, fish is a water animal, so we circle this. After that, crocodile, yeah, it is also water animal, so we can circle this. Frog is water animals, we'll circle this. Turtle is water animals. And one more thing I would like to tell you here, that both turtle and this frog and this crocodile, it can live both on land and on water also. Okay, but here we have to circle only water animals, so we can include this also. Let's talk about next one. So next one is that crab. Crab is water animal, duck is water animal, and this bear, this deer, and this rhinoceros is not and this rhinoceros are not any water animals, so we'll not circle this. Okay, so in this, how many water animals you can find it? Frog, turtle, crocodile, fish, duck, and crab. Okay, here are 6 water animals. So by following that, you can understand about different kind of water animals. Like water animals are those animals who live in water. Okay, let's talk about next chapter. In this chapter, let's see what is given. Match each picture on the left with its related seasons. Like we have to match all the pictures with related to its season. For example, it is picture of sweating. A boy is feeling so much hot. So when we feel hot, we feel very hot in summer season. Of course, it is related to summer season. So we will match this with summer season. Let's find out where is the summer season. So summer season is here. Okay. So we have to match this hot climate with summer season. Okay. After that, there is so much like woolen cloth he is wearing, cap, coat, shoe. So when we wear some woolen cloths, you all know we wear some woolen cloths in winter season. So we have to color this man with winter season. This is here. Okay. After that, last picture is that one boy is taking an umbrella and going outside. And you tell me that which time we take umbrella? When it is raining outside. Okay. So of course it is related to that rainy season. Okay. When it's so much rains, we take umbrella and we go outside of our house. Okay, so normally by following that we can understand about different kind of seasons, and I would like to tell you here that about this there are two more seasons, that is spring and autumn. Okay, so how many seasons are there total? There are 5 seasons. Which one? Summer, winter, rainy, autumn and spring. Okay, hoping you got seasons name properly. Let's talk about next chapter. It is very interesting thing, may all the kids like it. Okay, so it is given that join the dots to form slanting lines from the top to bottom and color the pictures. Yani ki, you have to join all the dots, which you can find it here, and after that you can color this. Okay, so normally you know that what is the color of water? It is blue color, and this girl you can color according to your choice. So it is very interesting for you. You have to first join all the dots and after that you have to color it. Okay, let's talk about next chapter. Okay, again it is very interesting thing for all the kids, like join the dots with pencil colors. Okay, you have to take pencil color and you have to join all the dots like which you can see here. Okay, after joining the dots, you can find different kind of steps which you have to tell me that which picture you can find it here. Okay. Okay, let's talk about next chapter. Okay, so in this chapter, it is given that join the dots to draw a curve from left to right. Okay, so by following that we can understand different kind of curve lines. So you have to join all the dots in curve lines like that. Okay, let's talk about next chapter. Given here that join the dots from top to bottom to make curved lines and color the fish. You have to make curve line again, but here you have to color also. Okay, first make the curve lines and after that you have to color the fish. Okay. Okay children, so here again some curve line we have to join. It is given that trace the dots to make the swimmer reach the flag. It means we have to trace the dots and make the way to reach this point to all the swimmers. Okay, how many swimmers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 swimmers. We have to make a way. Okay, let's talk about this point. So it is given draw wavy lines from the butterfly to the flower as you practiced above. It means that we have to make reach all the butterflies to flower by making this kind of wavy lines. You know how to make wavy lines? These are wavy lines. Sorry, I told you curve line, but it is not curve line. It is wavy line. Okay, when we joined 3, 4 curve line together, it makes wavy line. Talk about next chapter. So it is given that color the picture of the object whose name begins with A. It means that you have to color that picture only whose name starts with A. So A for turtle? No. A for aeroplane? Yes. So we will color this aeroplane only because it is starting with A. Let's see next one. That next line it is given that color the picture of the object which name is starting with B. So B for ball? Yes. B for pig? No. P for pig. So we have to color this ball only. Next one is that color the picture of the object which name starts with C. C for car? Yes. C for pencil? No. So we'll color the car only. Okay. After that there is D. It means that you have to color the picture whose name starts with D. So of course with D, dog starts. Dog's name starts with D. So we'll color the dog only. After that, color the picture of the object which name starts with E. So E for leaf? No. E for elephant? Yes. We will color the elephant only. Okay. Okay children, so let's talk about next chapter. So it is given that color the picture of the object which name starts with F. So F for tiger, no. F for fish, yes. So we will circle the fish. We don't need to color here because it is colored already. We have to circle only. Okay. Circle the object which name start with G. G for gun, yes. We will circle the gun only. After that, circle the picture of the object which name starts with H. S for sandwich, no. S for horse, yes. We have to circle this horse only. After that, I for ice cream, yes. We will circle this I. We will circle this ice cream only. After that, J for joker, circle this joker. So this is very good way to teach our children about alphabets and phonic words. Okay, let's talk about next chapter. So right now we are studying about all the alphabets and their phonic words. Okay, let's talk about next one. So it is given, take the picture. Okay, so here we have to take the picture of the object whose name begins with K. Okay, we have to take only to those objects which name starts with K. K for strawberry, no. K for kite, yes. We'll take this only. After that, take the picture of the object which name begins with L. L for lamp, yes. We will take this lamp. After that, next letter that is M, which comes after L. So we have to take the picture of the object which name begins with M. M for monkey, yes. We'll circle this. Okay. Next one is that take the picture of the object which name begins with N. So N for nipple, yes. N for nipple. So we will take this one. After that, take the picture of the object which name begins with O. O for honey, no. O for owl, yes. So we will take this honey only. Okay children, let's talk about next chapter. So in this chapter it is given that you have to take on that picture which name begins with P. P for fish, no. P for pencil, yes. So we will take on this. Okay, take the picture of the object which name begins with Q. Q for cycle, no. Q for queen, yes. So we'll take this. Okay, next one is that take the picture of the object which name begins with R. R for rat, yes. We will take this one. Next one is that take the picture of the object which name starts with S. S for ship, yes. We'll take on this. Next one is that take the picture of the object which name begins with T. T for apple, no. T for telephone, yes. So we will take on telephone only. Okay, let's learn about next chapter. In this chapter it is given that color the picture of the object whose name begins with U. U for shoe, no. U for umbrella, yes. So we will color this umbrella only. Next one is that color this picture of the object which name begin with V. V for comb, no. V for van, yes. We'll color this van only. After that, next letter is that W, which comes after V. So W for house, no. W for will, yes. We'll color this way. Next one is that color the picture of the object which name begins with X. X for Xmas tree, yes. We will color this only. We will not color this bucket. Okay. Next point is given that write Y or Z next to the correct picture. Like a picture whose name starts with a Y, we have to put Y, and picture whose name starts with Z, we will put Z over there like that. This is yacht. Yacht always starts with Y, so we will put Y here. And this is zebra. Zebra always starts with Z, so we write Z here. Okay. So like this kind of worksheets we can make for teaching our kids at home. Let's learn about next chapter. It is given match the picture according to the rhyming words. Okay, in this chapter we can learn different kind of rhyming words. See how. Cat, where's the cat? It is cat. Okay, this is cat. And can you find it where is the rhyming word? So here we will know what are rhyming words. What are those words whose pronunciation is quite similar to each other. Like when we pronounce those two words, we find that both are similar. Red cat, log dog, mat, cat. Okay, so let's see here. First one is that cat. So let's find out that which word is the rhyming word of cat. So here's a cat, here's a donkey, here is the rat. Yes, cat, rat. As I told you that rat is the rhyming word of cat. So we will match the picture of cat with the picture of rat. Let's see, next one is money, donkey, money, donkey. Both are rhyming, so we will match money with donkey. Okay, let's see next one, jug, rug, jug, rug. Jug rhyming word is rug. J-U-G jug, R-U-G rug. So we'll match this jug with this rug. Next one is that pen. Pen, rhyming word is there, hen. Hen, pen, pen, hen. You can find out here that both the words are quite similar while we are pronouncing to each other. Okay, let's find out next one and last one, that is ball, jawl. Ball, jawl, ball, jawl. Both are quite similar while we are pronouncing it. So we'll match this ball with jawl. Hoping you have got rhyming word properly. Else you have any doubts, then you can ask me in comment section. We'll try to make a separate video about rhyming words. Okay, let's talk about next chapter. It is given that color the picture of the object whose words begin with B sound. Like in this chapter, we will study about Bphonic word. So here I would like to tell you that B says ba. B says ba. Let's see which picture is starting with B, yani ki ba. So this is ba, balloon, of course. So we will color this balloon. Shoes, no, it is starting with S. So S sound, S, so, not B. So we'll not color this. Next one is that banana, B, banana. This is the banana which are starting with B. Its first letter is B and the sound is B. So we'll color this banana. Tomato, no. Tomato sound is T. We'll not color this. Baby, B, baby. So we'll color this. After that, box, yes, box, B, box. This one will color. Rabbit, no. Rabbit sound R, which are not us. Rabbit sound R, so we'll not color this. Next one is that bird, so we'll color this only. Here we learned about many words which start with B. Let's do a quick revision. First one is that B, balloon, box, baby, banana, bird. Okay, here we learned about different kind of words which start with B. So like that we can make a different kind of words which starts with C, D, E and so on. Like we can make different kind of words to starting A to Z letters. By following this we can understand different kind of word. We can learn different kind of word and also we can enhance our memory. Okay, so let's talk about next chapter. So here it is given. Write the beginning letter of the following object in the boxes provided. This B, banana. So banana always start with B. So write here B. This is lamp. L. L for lamp. Okay, so write here L. This is pen. P for pen. We'll write P here. Hat. S for hat. We'll write H here. Okay. This is ice cream. I for ice cream. We'll write I here. C for car. C here. We'll write in this box C. After that it is giving ice. I for ice. So we'll write I again here. And this is book. B for book. So we'll write B here. And this is iron. We'll write here I for iron. Okay. So hoping you have got these things properly. Let's talk about next chapter. Interesting and very good for all the kids. Let's see. It is take the hand to its egg by following the O path. This page we will know about how can we write O by making this circle. Like we have to reach this hand to its egg by finding its ways. Okay, so we have to go circular motion. And in last, we can find it here. This one you have to do by yourself because it is very interesting. Okay, let's talk about next chapter. Children, so let's see here. It is given, join the picture with the correct alphabets. Like R for sun, no. R for rainbow, yes. We'll join this rainbow with the R. Next one is that S for snail. Snail is a type of insect. Yes, we will match this snail with the S. S for telephone, no. So we'll not match this S with telephone. Next one is that T for tree, yes. T for rat, never. So we'll match the tree with this tree. Okay. Let's learn about next step. Just given here that color the picture according to that of the letter given in the box. Like first of all we have to find that which word is starting with A, and after that we have to color it. So first of all we'll take all the words which are starting with all these alphabets. Like first A for butterfly, no. A for apple, yes. We'll take it and color this apple. Next one is that D for dog, yes. D for moon, no. D for turtle, no. So we'll color D with dog. First we'll take it and then color. After that it is B for pencil, no. B for mug, no. B for boat, yes. So we will color this boat. First we'll take and then color. Next one is that O for milk, no. O for owl, yes. We'll take this owl and we'll also color this owl. After that M for mango, yes. We'll take this mango and we'll color this mango with yellow color. Okay children, that's all for today's video. Hoping you have understood all the things properly. In this video we covered till chapter 44. Rest chapters we will cover in our next video, in our part 3 video. So for more such kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe. Please Kulku Sambihar. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Bye bye.